The 1988 Winter Olympics weren't just about medalists, they're about heart. Enter Eddie the Eagle, a British ski jumper who captured the world's imagination. Eddie Edwards wasn't the best ski jumper. Far from it. He didn't have a coach, didn't have funding or even proper equipment. But what he lacked in resources, he made up for with grit. With thick glasses that frowned up in the cold and less than perfect technique, Eddie stood at the top of the jump, staring down the impossible. He didn't soar to victory. In fact, he finished last. But what Eddie achieved was far more significant than a medal. He became a symbol of resilience and passion, proving that the Olympics are about daring to dream no matter the odds. His story resonated so deeply that even today, pulling an Eddie the Eagle is shorthand for giving your all, no matter the outcome. What's your Eddie the Eagle moment? That time you chased a dream despite the odds. Share it in the comments and let's inspire each other to keep soaring. Yeah, keep on pushing.